If you've ever visited the Philippines, you've probably seen these bright red and yellow burger stands on almost every corner. Their famous slogan, "Buy one, take one." But how did a simple roadside burger become one of the country's biggest fast food success stories? And why do millions of Filipinos keep coming back for more? This is the untold story of Angel's Burger. Unlike global chains that rely on giant restaurants, Angel's Burger chose a different path. Small kiosks, affordable prices, convenient locations. Founded in 1997, the brand started with a simple mission: make burgers accessible to everyone. Angel's Burger didn't invent burgers. It reinvented value. The buy one, take one offer became more than a promotion. It became a cultural phenomenon. For students, workers, and families, it meant getting more for less. And in a country where affordability matters, that simple idea changed everything. As demand grew, Angel's Burger expanded rapidly through franchising. Soon, the brand became impossible to miss. From major cities to small towns, its kiosks became part of everyday Filipino life. Today, Angel's Burger operates thousands of locations nationwide. Angel's Burger isn't just a meal. It's a late-night snack after school, a quick bite after work, a roadside comfort food shared with friends. For many Filipinos, it's more than a burger. It's a memory. The success of Angel's Burger reveals something deeper about Filipino food culture. Filipinos value convenience, affordability, generosity, and food that brings people together. Sometimes, the biggest success stories don't come from luxury. They come from understanding everyday life. From a simple roadside kiosk to a nationwide fast food icon, Angel's Burger proves that sometimes the most successful ideas are also the simplest.